Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add languages to your keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and if we want to add languages to our keyboard, we need to go to setting, open up your settings application on your Samsung Galaxy phone, and after that you're going to open the general management, this one, and then go to the Samsung keyboard settings and go to the languages and types. And here, as you can see, I have 2 languages on my keyboard, and if you want to add more languages to your keyboard, you can go to manage input languages. Alright, and here actually I have downloaded 4 languages, but I only activate 2 languages on my keyboard. And if you want to add more languages to your keyboard, you can go to the available languages and you can download the language you want to add. For example, I'm going to add Arabic keyboard, so I'm going to download it. Tap on the download icon and wait for a moment until the language has been downloaded. Okay, and after the language has been downloaded, it will appear right here. And don't forget to activate the language to make it appear on your keyboard. And here I have 3 languages activated on my keyboard. And then we can go back and go to the language switching method to choose how you will switch from one language to another language on your Samsung keyboard. You can tap on this option, and here you have 3 options guys. You can select language key and space bar swipe, or language key or only space bar swipe. And I'm just going to select this one, so I will use spacebar to switch from one language to another language. So I'm going to open up my keyboard, and here I'm going to show you, this is my English keyboard, and I'm going to switch it to Arabic. So we just need to swipe right or swipe left on the spacebar like this. Okay, and you will be able to type in another language. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to add languages to keyboard on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.